Give thanks in all circumstances, for this is God's will for you in Christ Jesus. Posible ba magpasalamat in all circumstances? Now, here's the thing. God says to give thanks in everything. Wala siya nag-demand that you give thanks for everything. You don't need to give thanks for that bad day. Ay, salamat Lord, daot akong adlaw. No, that does not make sense. Whatever it is, you are not expected to give thanks for difficulties, but rather to be consistently thankful in the midst of difficulties. Nakuha niyo yung difference? Dili ka mo ingon, Lord, salamat kay naglisod ko. Murag lahi ra jud. You can be financially struggling, pero pwede ka makaingon, salamat Ginoo nga ikaw ang bahandi nga dili mawala nako. It all begins with the appreciation of what we have in Christ. Matod pa ni John Piper, God is more glorified in me when I am most satisfied in Him.